Hi everyone. I wanted to do a video like this ever since I first started using LipSense. So here goes. I basically wanted to let people know about the cost of LipSense, and for those who think that $25 for a tube of lipstick is too much, maybe this video will help change your mind and help you see the value. So I used to never really spend anything more than 20 bucks for lipstick, and then after a few years I figured you kind of get what you pay for. So I figured if I wanted my lipstick to stay on longer, that maybe I should just bite the bullet and try the more expensive options that were out there. So here is what I ended up with. Hold on just a second while I get this going. So this is my lipstick stash, and so we've got a little bit of everything here. L'Oreal Color Stay, Maybelline 24 Hour, Revlon Overtime. Then we get into the Kylie's, which I've got like 3 or 4 or 5 of those because I love the colors, but then they just were not working for me. And then I have Stila, Wet n Wild, Hard Candy, oh my gosh, Almay, CoverGirl, and then Sephora, and then I've of course got my MACs in here and everything. So anyway, all this stuff, as you can see, probably cost me, I don't know, a few $100 plus, I don't know. But anyway, just for instance, so let me get into it. For the Revlon, I'll just use that as an example, Revlon Color Stay. It's pretty decent, but it would come right off my lips, you know, throughout the day and stuff. And it costs about $11 or so, depending where you get it. There's going to be 0.07 fluid ounces in a tube of Revlon like this. Okay, so and then you got your gloss on the other side there. As an example, LipSense, you get 0.25 fluid ounces. So you're getting 3.5 times more with this product. So then there's MAC, which usually costs about 20 bucks. I was checking, and this one is actually 0.12 ounces, and it costs about 20. So then there's the Kylie's, which are, as you know, about $29. They have 0.14 fluid ounces, and so I thought, well, let me try Stila because it's a little less expensive at $24. And even though I was like more in search of the perfect color that would stay on, I tried the Stila, and I don't know if you can see, but like in the center of the tube, it's just like all the scraping, and I can't get all of it out. So it's kind of driving me nuts. And I was really disappointed because it got kind of clumpy, and it kind of started stinking after a while. But even at $24, you get 0.10 fluid ounces. So that actually calculates to $240 per ounce. So anyway, yeah, put it in perspective. We'll just go back to the Revlon, which is 0.07 ounces. You would basically need to buy 3.5 of these in order to get the same amount of product that you're getting in the LipSense. So one thing I want to point out, if you can see here, is with the LipSense tube, you've got the product which is fluid. So you're not going to lose any product here. You're basically going to get every drop. And so you would need to buy 3.5 of these, which you're not going to scrape all the rest out of here. You're probably getting less overall, and pay like $40 versus the $25 for one tube of LipSense. For MAC, you know, it's 20 bucks each, and so basically double that. You'd have to pay $40 to get 2 of these versus 1 of LipSense, which would last you probably much longer because talking about wasted product, finally, we're going to look at the fact that, you know, this is a fluid in here. It's pigment suspended in cosmetic grade alcohol. So you're looking at getting more out of the purchase, and the fact that the alcohol's in the tube, you're not going to have the germ buildup as you do in all these other tube lipsticks. I mean, I don't know about you, but if you have it more than a month, it starts to stink, and it gets kind of like the texture is kind of gross and whatever. But anyway, so it allows you to get more product for less waste and only $25. So now do you see what a great value LipSense is? I do. Have a good night. Thanks.